Yes, hello students, welcome back to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. So in the last class I gave this hint, important hint related with allied angles. If the coefficient of 90 degrees even, all the trigonometric terms remains the same. If they are odd means Bessa Sankhe, the sign changes to cos, cos changes to sin, tan changes to cot, cot changes to tan, sec changes to cosec and cosec changes to sec. Now, shall we start the allied angle one by one? See, first I will start with 90 minus theta. For that, you have to remember this chart, and with the chart, you have to remember one more thing. See, on the side I will write, draw the quadrant. This is first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. See, this is coefficient. Here I am writing the coefficient. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It goes on continuing. And here to here it is a 90 degrees. And now I am giving you the allied angle 90 minus theta. One by one. See, first one, sin 90 minus theta. I will explain very slowly. How you write this? This is sin 1 into 90 minus theta. Correct? 1 is odd. 1 is odd number. Odd means Bessa Sankhe. If it is odd, sign changes to, first see about that. Sin 1 into 90, see this number. If it is odd, sign changes to cos. After writing a trigonometric term, we have to check where it comes. See, this line is 0 into 90. This line is 1 into 90. That's why I wrote the number. 1 into 90. And remember, we are moving in this direction. Anti-clockwise. 1 into 90. This is the line 1 into 90. Minus means previous. Becomes in first quadrant. In the first quadrant, all are positive. In the first quadrant, all are positive. That means your answer is positive. That is one thing. And another thing you have to remember is 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta, whatever. Theta is always less than 90 degrees. Remember that. Next, cos 90 minus theta. Cos 1 into 90 minus theta. 1 is odd. Cos changes to sin. And it also 1 into 90, this line, minus means previous. In the first quadrant, all are positive. So the answer is positive. Tan 90 minus theta. It is tan 1 into 90 minus theta. 1 is odd, tan changes to cot, and it also comes in first quadrant. Again it is positive. Cot 90 minus theta. Yes students, you are writing along with me or what? How you write cot 90 minus theta? Cot 1 into 90 minus theta. 1 is odd. Cot changes to tan. It also comes in first quadrant. Sec 90 minus theta. Sec 1 into 90 minus theta. 1 is odd. Sec changes to cosec. And all comes in first quadrant. Here in the first quadrant, all are positive. Therefore, we are getting the answer as positive. Next, cosec. Cosec 90 minus theta. It is 1 into 90 minus theta. 1 is odd. Cosec changes to sec. Moving to the second one. 90 plus theta. So, write down all trigonometric terms. Sin 90 plus theta. It is written as sin 1 into 90 plus theta. Now, you only see and tell me where it comes in which quadrant. First it is a odd. Coefficient is odd. Sin changes to cos. And see, This is, I wrote the number. This is the line 1 into 90. Plus means we are moving to next. Here, in the second quadrant, only sine and cosec are positive. So we started with sine. We have to see this. Sine is positive in the second quadrant. So answer is positive. Cos 90 plus theta. Cos 1 into 90 plus theta. 1 is odd. Cos changes to sine. Where it comes? This is the line 1 into 90. Plus means second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cos, we have to see this. Cos is negative. That's why answer is negative. We have to see this term. Understood? Cos is negative in the second quadrant. Next. Tan 90 plus theta. Tan 1 into 90 plus theta. 1 is odd. Tan changes to cot. It also comes in first quadrant. Remember, only these two are positive. Tan is negative. Next, cot 90 plus theta. Cot 1 into 90 plus theta. Cot changes to tan. In the second quadrant, cot is also negative. Sec 90 plus theta. Sec 1 into 90 plus theta. 1 is odd. Sec changes to cosec. Sec is also negative. Only cosec positive. Cosec 90 plus theta. That is cosec 1 into 90 plus theta. 1 is odd. Cosec changes to sec. And cosec is positive. So your answer is positive. Understood? Now we are moving to the next allied angle. See, in this class I will explain only these allied angles, how to write. Next one is 180 minus theta. Third one. Sin 180 minus theta. How you write? Sin 180 minus theta. How you split 180? 180 is splitting as 2 into 90. Remember, everything should be in terms of 90. 2 into 90 minus theta. First see the coefficient. Sahagunaka. First Sahagunaka nodri. Coefficient 2. If the coefficient is even number, sign remains sign. Your answer is sign. Where it comes? This is the line 2 into 90. Minus means second quadrant. Second is sign is positive. So your answer is positive. Cos 180 minus theta. 2 into 90 minus theta. 2 is even. Cos remains cos. It comes in second quadrant. Second quadrant cos is. This cos is negative. So answer is negative. Tan 180 minus theta. Tan 2 into 90 minus theta. 2 is even. Tan remains tan. But this tan is negative in the second quadrant. If tan is negative means cot is also negative. Sec is also negative. Only sin and cosec are positive. So answer is positive because in the second quadrant sin and cosec are positive. Fourth one. 180 plus theta. First see 180 plus theta comes in which quadrant? This is 2 into 90 plus third quadrant. In the third quadrant, tan and cot are positive. Note down that. Sin 2 into 90 plus theta. 2 is even. Sin remains sin. It comes in third quadrant. Third quadrant negative. even cos is also negative. The splitting is important. Minus cos theta. Tan is positive. Answer is tan theta. Next, cot. Tan and cot are positive. Then sec, the remaining are negative. Even sec is also negative. Because of that even coefficient, they remains as it is. Yes. Moving to the fifth one, 270 minus theta. First see where it comes, and that gives you the hint. Next, fifth one, 270 minus theta. First I will explain here. Sin 270 minus theta will be, in terms of 90s, 3 into 90 minus theta. See here. 3 into 90, this minus means third quadrant. Tan and cot are positive, remaining are negative. Remaining all the 4 are negative. And 3 is odd, sign changes to cos. Sin is negative in third quadrant. Next. Cos is also negative. That is, because of odd number, cos changes to sin. Odd number, tan changes to cot, but in the third quadrant, here, this is the line 3 into 90 minus means previous, that is third quadrant. In the third quadrant, tan is positive, that's why answer is positive. But because of odd number, tan changes to cot. Here odd number, cot changes to tan, but it is positive in third quadrant. What about sec? Sec is negative. And because of odd number, sec changes to cosec. And cosec changes to sec. Sixth one. 270 plus theta. Now 270 plus theta. First splitting I will explain. 270 plus theta. Sin 3 into 90 plus theta. 3 is odd. Sin changes to cos. Where it comes? 3 into 90 plus means fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive. If it starts with cos, answer is positive. But it starts with sin. Sin is negative or what? Yes. Cos 270 plus theta. 3 into 90 plus theta. 3 is odd. Cos changes to sin. But cos is positive in fourth quadrant. So answer is positive. It comes in fourth quadrant. Understood or what? Three into 90 plus theta. 3 is odd. Tan changes to cot. Tan is negative. We have to start with this. And that sign we have to write in front of the answer. Cot changes to tan. That is negative. What about sec? See the table, sec is positive. But odd number, because the coefficient odd, sec changes to cosec. Cosec changes to sec, and in the fourth quadrant cosec is negative. Understood? Now I am explaining 360 minus theta and 360 plus theta. If you are familiar with this, it is enough. It helps you to solve the examples. Next, seventh one, 360 minus theta. Yes, see here, sin 360 minus theta is sin 4 into 90 minus theta. 4 is even. See, I wrote the numbers also. This is 4 into 90 minus means fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive, remaining negative. That means sin is also negative. 4 is even, sin remains sin, and you know that only cos and sec positive, remaining are negative. Four is even, cos theta. We started with cos. Cos is positive, so answer is positive. Four is even, tan remains tan. We started with the tan. Tan is negative in fourth quadrant. Even cot is also negative. And 4 is even, minus cot. Sec, see sec, what is sec? Sec is positive. Answer is sec theta. What about cosec? Cosec is negative. Then 360 plus theta. See, this is 4 into 90 or 360 plus theta means first quadrant. In the first quadrant all are positive. That means all your answers are positive. It is 4 into 90 plus theta. 4 is even, sama sankhya. Sin remains sin. And they comes in first quadrant. In the first quadrant all are positive. Like that, remaining. 4 into 90 plus theta. 4 is even. Cos remains cos. Because of even number, all trigonometric terms remains as it is. If you are thorough in this, you can solve any number for allied angles. So that I will explain in the next class. First practice this. If you are thorough in this, I will explain the exercise, NCERT exercise. And students, please remember, if you convert in terms of 90s, the sums will be very simple. You will not do any mistakes there.